What's going on, everybody? Today we are going to be assembling this pop-up card. So it's got an offset butterfly that pops up when you open it. And if you would like this template, it is available on my Patreon page. Just check the description for this video for the link if you'd like it. It comes with everything you need to make this card. Alright, so here are the pieces used to make it. Got the backing sheet. Need that part. Got a couple, forgot to take that piece of paper off. All right, got that piece. Oh, and this one. And the butterfly pieces. So we're going to start with the butterfly pieces, and there's 4 pieces because you want it to be able to, we want it to look like a butterfly on when it's opening and closing. You don't want it just to be white because that'd be weird. So you got to pair these up. They can only go one way, so that one matches with this one. Like if you have this one, it's not going to work because it's just going to be white on the other side, and that's just not the way you want to do it, right? So you want to pair them up. And when you put these together, each one, has an insert line right, or cut right there. So you want to make sure those, when you put them together, you want to make sure those line up. You don't want it off-centered or this way or that way, because then it won't slide together like it should. It won't line up right. So put that together real quick. Making sure my lines are as close as possible. So there's that one. This one. Looks good. All right, so that's ready to go for the most part. Now we're going to take our backing sheets here, and the one with the one slit is your right side, and this one is your left side. So you're going to take this long piece here, it's got one bend in it, and you're going to put it like this, get it centered in the slit there, and then you want to fold it that way. So we're just going to put it like this, make sure that's straight. Attach that, and I need a card to put this on. 1 second here. All right. I knew I'd forget something. Right, so that's just a scrap card. All right, so now we need to goes in here. That. All right, now we got to figure out, I always mess this up when I put these together, which way these go. I think it's this way, okay. As I get these together, I'll explain here. I have some extra paper in the cut there. There we go. All right. So it's there's gonna be a short side and a long side. The short side goes to the right, and the long side is off to your left. So you might have to put them together and take them apart if you do it the wrong way. Not a big deal. So you just wanna bend them both the same way. It'll make sense here in a second. So the short one is going to go in this slit right here, and the long one's going to go in this cutout box, and it's going to attach to this, we'll call it a brace, I guess, sliding arm. Put some on there. Put that there. Oops, I actually put that on the wrong side. The adhesion on this side. So the small one is going to attach to the actual card, not the sliding arm. I'm going to take that off real quick. Slide that through, get that centered right there. There. So now this long one is going to get connected to this part. And that will help it open and close. All right, so that's the slide arm. So you just want to fold the long arm, or the long leg, I guess, and then put these two together like that. So tape there, square up your card, you don't square it up, it'll open wonky or fold wonky, either one. There, so that is that. So when you open, it's kind of hard to do when it's not attached, but fold that flat, square it up, and now we're gonna put it like this. Make sure you don't get any tape or whatever here, because this needs to slide. I'm just going to do the corners, and above and below on that side. Square it up, slide it in. And then close it again. And there you have a working card. This one is super easy to put together for a really neat, cool effect, I think. And I like to, when I'm designing a pop-up card, I kind of try to hide the mechanics that are making it work. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. When I can, I like to do it. So we have this piece here that we're just going to attach to the arm. It's kind of hard to see. So we're just going to attach it to the sliding arm. Simple, simple. Make sure yeah. So when you attach this, you got to make sure it doesn't go past that part because it's got to fold shut. I mean, you can go past it, but it's going to bend whatever's past it. That makes sense. So I'm placing it right. That looks good. So when it closes, you can see it's going to not interfere with the spine. It's kind of hard to... So when you open it, it kind of, you know, comes to life. The flower does as well. So it slides to the right. And one more thing we can add, you don't have to do this, but I like to do it. Hiding my mechanics, of course. So I just like to put a flower over that little square, like that. So I'm just gonna kind of bend it a little bit. Just so it doesn't get stuck on the butterfly leg as it's opening and closing. So just gonna put it right. I'm not gonna be able to cover the whole thing, but every little detail counts. So as you close it, I know it's gonna be hard to see, but the butterfly leg slips under it. So that is complete, and the cutting file also comes with this piece here too as well. And there will also be some butterfly patterns available with this pack and whatnot. So yeah, there we are. Like I said, if you want this template, it is available on my Patreon page as well as some other stuff. And we'll be adding lots more throughout the year. So make sure you check it out and so become a Patreon if you like. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel as well for some showcases and some shorts. Always love your feedback and comments. Let me know what you think, what we'd like to see in the future, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one.